Hi guys, Mr. etc back to you again for another idea of housing. And today I will be working again on another refurbished project, and thanks to my Little Patisserie Amsterdam for sponsoring this project and give us the chance to show you how to recycle, how to refurbish an old bench. Alright, and as some of you know, today is Father's Day, and I would like to take this opportunity to wish a wonderful day to all fathers all around the world, of course. And I already received my super daddy kiss, as you can see, just right here. Someone was very happy to help me on that project. And that is, if you get a chance to create something with your kids, just do it. There is nothing else like it, believe me. And for you guys, if you don't know what to offer to your father for this special day, we've added a pretty nice list of material to give you some inspiration. And this list is all about the DIY wooden bench, all for the fathers. Alright, let's make an impressive sitting. Let's go. As you may have seen in the preview, this is the old and damaged bench, which I will transform into a new one. And right here, the entrance of the shop. I will first break it into two halves. This will make disassembling much easier for me. We'll first try to unscrew, but as they are too rusty, I will use a hammer to separate the piece of wood from the supportive part of the bench. Then pull out the old screws. Then, to go faster, I will cut part of the screws using my angle grinder. Oh, finally, I'm done with disassembling. Now, I will use its supportive legs for making the new bench. The surface of those legs is raw and untidy. Let's clean the surface and make it smooth. And for this, I will use a rolling sander brush. And now that the surface is smooth enough, let's move on to the next step. Now, I'm painting the legs with a black premium quality paint and keeping them outside so they can dry. As you can see, all the paint work looks very good. It even looks a little bit like a tree branch. For the other part of the bench, I will use 4 long plywoods from 2.10 meter long and 23 centimeter large, and 4 short plywoods from 60 centimeter long and 23 centimeter large. And remember to always smooth the plywood before using them. And for this part, I will be using my thickness planner. And now I will check for the adjustment of the legs. All set. So now let's fix the plywood in its position. Then I will use the short length plywood for making side of the bench by checking the positions on the bench sides. I'm checking the positions and the dimensions because a precise cutting will lead to the perfect bench. I will mark on the plywood to make the right cut, and of course on each of them. Then use my miter saw to cut the plywoods in two. Now, I will use the cutting pieces to make the sides. For this, I will draw the lines on the wooden pieces according to my 3D plan. Then make the cuts on those lines. And remember that if you don't have the 3D plan, you can download it for free online via the articles we are sharing with you, or just tape DIY wooden bench project. For the back of the bench, I will make points on the plywood according to the metal support measurements. And again, make the cuts with my jigsaw. Now that I have all required pieces of wood with the proper dimensions, it's time to assemble them. I will first fix the long plywood . And as you can see here, I will create the holes using the legs. Then I will fix the plywood with long 10 cm screws through those holes. And here are the screws I was talking about. After the seat, I will fix the arms, back and side one by one, still using screws. And also use some hooks. And now, it's just perfect. I will use the router, then the sander to remove some irregularities. Et voilà! Here we are! Here we are, finally done with this project, and as you can see, designing it yourself can sometimes be even better than what you can find in the home deco store. And if you're looking to give it a try, you will find it waiting for you in front of the My Little Patisserie bakery in Amsterdam. I will be also adding some links for you from their website so you can check exactly what they are doing and where they are located. And keep in mind that now I will be sharing more quality product with you instead of quantity. Some of you wanted less but better quality, so we are going to work on that from now on, but still trying to keep it recycled and refurbished as much as possible. Talking about quality, the next project will be a nice chair created with one palette, as you can see just right here. And yes, it's possible to create a beautiful design chair just with a palette. And I will show you pretty soon how to do it. Stay posted. And remember to check the links below in the video description to register, comment, and download your free 3D plan. Remember that those plans are for you, because I already know how to make them. So go and download your free plan. But before that, comment. Let us know what you think about this design via the links that we are sharing with you according to the language you speak. If you are new to our channel and you would like to see even more beautiful stuff, feel free to subscribe just right here. And after that, you click on the bell to receive a notification every time we are sharing new content with you. For me, this is it. And I guess I will see you next time. Bye!